Hey guys, it's Queendija, and in today's video, I will be reacting to episodes 2 and 3 of season 2 of The Time I Was Reincarnated into a Vending Machine, Vending Machine season 2. So yes, honestly, the goal is this. As I found out, I think a week or two ago, this was officially confirmed for a season 3. And I said, okay, I want to watch it, but I was like, oh wait, I can't watch it yet because I haven't finished season 2, because we only watched the first episode and that was it, because I was so busy around the time. I think this was also with fall as well, with everything else. So I'm just like, okay, so we're gonna finally catch this up. I'm gonna try to get this done quickly so that I can go from season 2 right into season 3 and such. So just prepare for a lot of stuff for this show and probably a couple others, because I'm going to try to get back into my schedule of constantly doing stuff after I get off of work so that I'm not like stressing myself out. But yes. Other than that, no. Well, one other thing. I did also rewatch episode 1, but the funny thing is, while I was rewatching episode 1, I clearly remembered everything that was happening, so I stopped watching it and I was like, we're just gonna go on to episode 2. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started with episode 2 in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I can't hear. Of course I can't hear. Using the fucking balloons and everything. I can't. Something just go. Okay, no. Obviously. Mm. I mean, they were only gone for like a couple of days, but I get it. Mm. Oh, Yeah, and plus, Lemus, you did a lot, honestly. Right. There we go. She's okay. Mm. God damn. No, he's all good, Lemus. It's okay. I just love how she just picks everyone up and be like, yeah, come on. Girl. Jaakko. Uh-oh. Right. She needs at least an energy drink instead. You know what that is? That's that pre-care integrity right there. Once again, if I had to watch this like before Kairi Honda was announced, As a pretty cure, we would have been up here like rolling with season 3, especially. But no, we get to do it with season 2 and season 3. But I get it. Yeah, when did you just start talking like that? Oh my god, honey. Well, she needs it. She's been working her ass off. I mean, one, her and Director Bear taking the group and pushing the group back towards home and then instantly like giving food out to people and water and then immediately fighting. Nuts. Seems like it. Ah, smart. Mm-hmm. What are you gonna do with soda? Like, dead ass. How? Oh, of course. Cola bombs. Nice eye catch. Oh my god. I don't know if that was the same one in episode 1, but see, that just makes me hungry. Thank God I'm eating after this. Right. Right. We don't want that. Hmm. Put the water down there. Oh no, put him down there. No, no, no. He has a plan. You shorten it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Right. Oh. Yeah, but it's going down. Well, I mean, yeah, technically you're sitting. It's just a stern mother talking to their kid. Oh, now you don't want to talk. I mean, and besides, he didn't know. He didn't know up until he looked at his points that he had. He just Boxo assumed. And the biggest thing is you should never assume on anything. You should always constantly check on everything, regardless. Oh, that's so sweet. I want ice cream so bad. Oh my god. Like, okay. This was sometime last week. I had the Wendy's Thin Mint Frosty because your girl loves me some Thin Mints. It was okay. I may need to just try it again, obviously, because you know how like when you get something and it's not 100% like the picture. That's how I was. But it was still good regardless. He could have, but still he didn't have enough points. That takes a lot out of him. Right. Hmm? What is Shorty the rich girl gonna like put a crap ton? Okay, so finally coming back and returning to this show. Honestly, this episode was not that bad. I love the fact that Huri is very much like defending the hell out of Boxo. That's a good thing because, like, truly, especially, you know, him coming back after helping with, putting the ice down and him losing like all them freaking points that he lost. And he's like, oh shit. And he comes back and here's Lamus being like, so it didn't go out the way you wanted to, my boy. All right, we're gonna have a long discussion and such. But I love the fact that once again, going into this and going into back into episode 1, it continues right where we left off. I mean, I can't remember how season 1 ended because it's been a hot minute, but for this to be the main portion of, okay, number 1, we still gotta defeat Big Bad, and then we're getting into this where we're now back home and all these monsters are attacking their home. Mindfully, that's going to be a lot of ish that they're going to have to do just to build the village back up. But the good thing is, I'm glad everybody's okay. That's the biggest thing at the end of the day. No one was truly hurt. Yeah, some people did get hurt, but it's not as bad as, I was expecting going into this episode. But no, this was really freaking good. I'm happy that I'm finally able to continue the show and the rest of the shows that I'm going to eventually continue in the next couple of weeks. But no, it was a really good return or continuation towards the show. Honestly, deadass, I've missed the show. And to see that the show has gotten a third season, it just tells you how good this show is. And it just secretly also makes you wish that a one certain show that will never not be named, if you know, you know, that stars a dumbass with a girl and he uses money. That should be gone. I don't know why that show is still on existence. I can't even like I don't even like now. I don't even like to acknowledge that I watched like 2 seasons of that show because that show and that series has gone to absolute shit. But yeah, go ahead and pause the video, and I'll see you guys in 1 second for episode 3. All right, episode 3 in 3, 2, 1, go. How? Wait. I don't know, that just took me out for a moment. I was not expecting Jun Fukuyama Doom voice like, sir. You give Boxo a light, like, airy voice. Not you, not, okay. Not the Lush v Britannia, my boy. Not Joker from Persona 5, baby. Oh, fuck. Oh, honey. It's okay. Mm. And it can always be replaced. Oh. That was hilarious. Maybe she didn't know the last time. That too, yeah, it might be the first time. Oh my god, Lemus. I just 2 episodes in and our baby girl is just jealous as fuck and I love it. Just chill. Right there. All up in there. I want to put in more. I mean, that's still a lot, but like I mean, there's so many of them. So maybe like 200 or 300? Oh, Jesus Christ. When was the last time you guys ate? You're like, here, take the Baskin Robbins. Hmm. Yeah, you have no choice. Right? Where is that from? Right? You gotta wait. Oh, damn. That was funny. He'll be fine, Lamus. It's okay. Well, true, yeah, but she did that last episode. It's just, you know. Oh, honey. Aww. Nice. Wouldn't that still be a little messed up? So. You'll see. I mean, hey, you can say that. Not 3, Voxel. Wait, hold on. Mm. You gotta calm down. Oh, baby. Right, we just gonna torture you a little bit up until you give us the answers, and then K-word, maybe. But right now, just nice, good, slow torture. I know, he was scary too. Right. What do you say to someone at a time like this? You feel bad for her. And honestly, I think if it was any one of us, like, yeah, we would let her want to get that revenge because that's what she's had inside her for such a long time. But in this moment, the best thing is to drop it and just move on. I know you there's so much anger and remorse that you have over it and not wanting to, see that shit to fruition, but I get it. It's not your fault, honey. Right. I think she did in her own way. Honestly, how would that happen? Because he's a freaking vending machine. They're so freaking cute. My babies. My babies. No matter what. Like, still, the fact that they'll always be together till the end for each other and to lean on each other was cute. Yes, her having that cute little fangirly moment, even though she was just like, oh no, I'm just joking in the end. That was cute. Loved how they did that. Okay, but yes, going back on to Lamis and her backstory and the trauma that she has over one person who destroyed her entire village. Excuse me. Ooh, I thought I was gonna birth. Everything that she's known as a home just obliterated in minutes. I do feel bad for her, and I understand the wanting of to get revenge. I sympathize with her because the biggest thing is that we all want for her is for her to get some revenge on something. That's clarity for her at the end of the day. Um, but sometimes getting revenge on a person like that and going deeper down than or snooping to a lower level than the previous person did isn't always the best thing. I will say that. Yeah, I will definitely say that. You never want to snoop lower than low because it doesn't make you look good. It really doesn't. Just always you be the bigger person and you walk away. I've met so many people in my life where depending on the situation where someone has treated me like absolute shit in our friendship, I look away. I turn away from it. I'm the big person. I literally am like fuck it, like we just move on from it. But if it comes to a point where I'm like really highly fucked up by somebody, then I am also going to voice my opinion too. And say how this hurt me to that person, yada yada, this is that and the third. But there are a lot of people whose friendship I will still value to like the end of the freaking day. And then there are ones who I don't value as much anymore because I'm older and I'm a lot wiser on my friendships and how I look at people now because we as human, we evolve and learn new things every single day. And so sometimes maybe do I feel like a friendship from umpteen million years ago could survive maybe modern day standards? It depends. You would really have to ask me, truly. I will, and it depends on the person. If they really truly care about you, then yeah. If not, you just go on and separate, and you find other people who love you for you at the end of the day. But other than that, guys, that's my reaction review towards episodes 2 and 3 of season 2 of Reborn as a Vending Machine. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a like, really helps me out. Also, subscribe to my channel. I make videos every single day. Join my squad, and of course, I will see you guys officially all next time for episodes 4 and 5. But until then, I will see you guys all next time. Bye. Oh my god. Bye.